Hey there YouTube, part 2. Not sure how many parts there's going to be, but I'm doing 99 ways to make your computer faster. Alright, let's get started. Number 6 through 10. By default, the size of the paging file is controlled by Windows, which can cause fragmentation. Also, the paging file should be on a different hard drive or partition. So, different hard drives. So if you have multiple hard drives, you would want to move the paging file over to the other partition than the boot partition, which would make it substantially faster. Um, but I myself don't know how to do that, so I'm not gonna screw my computer up because I'm on a laptop right now, you know. Alright, so that's it with that one. But here's a way you can make it quicker if you wanted to. Or here, I'll show you a shortcut. Hit Win Pause Break. It'll open that right up. Advanced System Settings. Go to the Advanced tab, click Performance to Settings, click Advanced, and click Change. And what you're going to want to do, this right here is going to be checked. Automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Uncheck it. Click Custom Size. Set the initial size in megabytes to 200 and set the maximum size to 6,000. So that's pretty much like adding almost like 6 gigs of RAM, but not like really. It'll only use it as it needs it when your memory gets low. When your your actual physical RAM gets low, so that'll act as a backup to make your computer like a little bit faster. So yeah. So now we're gonna hit OK, get out of there, close that out. Now if you don't care about all the fancy visual effects in Windows, you can turn them off by going to performance options. So what we're gonna do the same shortcut, Win Pause Break, Advanced System Settings, Advanced tab, Performance Settings, hit Adjust for best performance. But here's a way that won't slow your computer down. All you really have to do is check Use Visual Styles on Windows and Buttons and hit Apply. Alright, it seems to be taking a bit, so I'll pause until it goes. Alright guys, for some reason my Windows aren't going back, which I don't know, which once I'm done with this I'm gonna have to check that out. There's something with one of my optimization programs that I screwed up, so yeah. But that's how you can keep your visual styles without losing your performance. Just go to your Advanced System Settings, click the Advanced tab, click the Performance Settings, then click Adjust for Best Performance and click Use Visual Styles on Windows and Buttons, and there you go. Nice visual without losing your performance. Alright, now the next optimization. You can optimize the Windows boot time using a free program called Bootvis from Microsoft. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go Chrome, Google.com. Go to Google, type Bootvis. Right here, it's a Major Geeks download site. Alright. Boot and resume times are measured from the time the power switch is pressed to being able to start a program from a desktop shortcut. I guess that's okay, because sometimes before I sped my laptop up a bit, it used to take somewhere between a minute and 3 minutes just for it to come up. I've got like 4 gigs of RAM, so I don't know why it's going so slow. Didn't know, but now I know. There's all these stupid startup entries that I deleted. I showed you guys how to do it, so you can do that. Now what you're going to do, click download at Major Geeks. It's going to say down safe and trusted provider for Bootvis, so yeah. Hit keep. If you're on Firefox, you hit save file. Chrome, you would click keep down here in the downloads bar. We're gonna open that file up, and this, I think I already said about it, but Norton, you might want to check that out, download it, because it has a real-time virus scan. For every file you download, it scans it and tells you if it's safe or if it contains a virus, so you might want to check that out. When it says it contains a virus or something, you can click the view details button, and it'll open Norton File Insight. It'll tell how many users used it, how long ago it was released, and it'll tell you the rating that Norton has given the file. It'll tell you exactly where it was downloaded from, and this states that it was downloaded from MajorGeeks.com. So you could tell it's got no virus whatsoever. Alright, now we're waiting for the download to launch. Give me 1 sec. Alright guys, I'm back. Right here we have Bootvis. I had to take it from the downloads and put it on the desktop because for some reason right now Google Chrome is having a problem with launching the installer from right here, and I don't know why. It says it's removed, but apparently clearly it's not. So here we go. We're gonna run the download file. Click next. Click I agree. Next. Now you can choose if you want it installed for everyone on your computer. Well, I'm just gonna hit just for me because I'm the only user on this computer. Hit next and hit next and it'll install. I'll pause till it installs. Alright guys, the Microsoft Bootvis has installed. Now what we're going to do to open it, we're going to go all programs, scroll down to Microsoft Bootvis. Click on Bootvis. Okay, what's this? Okay, we have a problem. I'm not sure why, but any of those computer techs out there, if you want to download this and give a shot at why this error is happening, you know, feel free, go right ahead. I'm just gonna hit OK, and I guess we're gonna skip this one. Alright, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go to Google and search for, or I might already have it, which is called Wise Registry Cleaner. Right here. Let's search Wise. No. Okay, what I'm gonna do, go Google Chrome, go to Google, search Wise Registry Cleaner. Wise Cleaner right here. Wise Registry Cleaner free. And if you want, you could pay for it and get the serial key and put it in, you know. Or go to a site that I like to use, but I'm not going to give that info out. Or yeah, maybe in the description towards the bottom, I'll show how to get it for free. Alright, now we're going to download this. Click on WRC free. Okay, for some reason now the download installer from Chrome thingy, I'm not sure what to call it, is working. Hit run. Minimize your Chrome, well, you don't have to minimize this because you ain't gonna have it open because I have it open. Hit next. Hit I accept. Click next. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to, but your call, man. Go ahead and do it if you want. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click install. Wait for it to install. Alright. Hit next. Don't click this if you already have it. I already have it, so I'm not going to click it. I'm going to launch it. Finish. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to back up my registry, so I'm going to pause the video and back up my registry, then I'm going to get back to you and then show you what to do from there. Okay, once you click create the next for the create a registry backup thing, either create a system restore point or create a full registry backup. And I'm going to do the full registry backup. So click that. I'll pause the video while this is going because this is going to actually take a while. So see when I get back. Alright, here we go. We have the registry backup going. This is doing a full backup, so it takes a little bit, but it goes pretty quick actually compared to when I had my old laptop, how long the one took. So yeah, I'll pause until this gets all the way up here, then I'll unpause and take it from there. Alright guys, it just finished. So now what we're gonna do when this pops up, what the registry backup does is if this scans something and it says you don't need it, which I doubt rarely will ever happen, but just in case, it'll restore your whole registry, so it'll fix it, whatever problems it causes. But I have a huge doubt of that ever happening. So what we're gonna do now is hit the scan button. Alright, usually scanning the registry takes a while, so I'm gonna pause the video for you. Alright guys, the registry scan thing just finished. I found this many errors, and quite a few of them. And see, sometimes it'll deselect some of these little things here. So what I'm gonna do, what you're gonna do, I don't know, I'm kind of going nuts because it's like 4:47 in the morning here. Getting a little tired, but hey, I just drank some coffee, so I'm starting to perk up a bit. Alright, now what we're gonna do now is start cleaning. I'll pause until this finishes. Sometimes, never mind. That was actually really quick. Now click System Tune-Up. Optimizes. Well, that sounds pretty good. Optimizes prefetch. Alright. Disables memory pagination and reduces disk I/O to I/O. I'm not sure what that means. I think it means in-out. I'm not sure. That was just my retarded ass guess. Option may be ignored if physical memory is less than 1 gig. So wait, ignored. So I don't know. I don't know what to do with that one. So system default. All that's yes. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is just hit optimize. Alright, restart your computer or do more tweaks, whatever. The registry defrag. To ensure best results, it is recommended. Believe me, when they say recommended, because the system will keep not responding. The desktop will be discolored. That's the registry being analyzed. It's actually shutting down access to your computer while it's doing that, because while you're using your computer, your registry is active, and the computer cannot scan files or anything while they're being used. So it kind of shuts down your computer while it's still turned on. You're still logged in to scan that. Alright, just click start optimizing. Alright, we're done with that, and I believe this tutorial is over now. Yep. Alright guys, rate, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to my buddy Killer Ball Sack. His link will be in the description, just like the first video. Look forward to the second video. Alright, peace guys. Rate, comment, subscribe.